Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around of our 2017 Ford Focus ST-3 we have new in stock. This Ford Focus ST-3 has a very nice specification. Starting with some of your exterior features, you've got the optional 19-inch black painted alloy wheels with the red painted calipers as well. The car itself is finished in stealth grey, which is a non-metallic gloss grey paint. You've got some of your exterior trim features finished in gloss black as well to match the alloys. You can see the front grille here. You've also got the window surrounds. You've got privacy glass as an optional feature, and the automatic door edge protectors as well as another optional feature. You've got a full leather interior with your Recaro trimmed front driver, passenger and rear passenger seats as well. You can see the Recaro embroidery on the side and the ST badging on the back. You have a leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel with access to your cruise control functions on the left-hand side. On the centre console, you've got your heated steering wheel function, which is another optional feature. You've got your gear stick with your leather gear gaiter, your climate control functions, some of your infotainment controls, and then on the centre screen you can see access to your DAB radio, as well as your reversing camera from here. If you would like any more information on this 2017 Ford Focus ST-3, please contact one of our sales team through the number at the end or inquire through our website.